How to disable keyboard sound on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable keyboard sound on Android phone. First open your keyboard and then click these 3 points here, and now click settings, and here we'll find this one, sound and vibration. Click on it and you will find it like that. All you need to do is just disable it and then go back, it will be saved. And that's how to disable keyboard sound on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.